Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Before you start, gather a 10 mm socket, flathead screwdriver, trim tool, and nitrile gloves. Avoid touching the glass of a 12V halogen bulb with bare fingers. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Allow the headlight to cool for 10 minutes. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits. Take a photo of wiring and clips for reassembly, and confirm whether your Audi A3 uses H7 halogen or an LED module to order the correct part. Locate the headlight access route on your specific Audi A3. Many models allow access from the engine bay, while others require removing the wheel arch liner or a small bumper trim. To remove trim, release 2 plastic clips and 1 Torx screw behind the bumper, or lift the wheel and unclip the liner with a trim tool, removing 3 Phillips screws and 2 push rivets with a 10 mm socket. Work methodically, store fasteners in a labeled container, and keep interior clips aligned so the headlight assembly remains supported when you loosen retaining bolts. Unplug the wiring connector from the lamp, turn the bulb socket counterclockwise, and withdraw the old bulb. Use nitrile gloves and replace it with the correct H7 or LED unit, aligning tabs before rotating clockwise to lock. Reconnect the wiring harness and any dust covers, then temporarily reconnect the negative battery terminal to test the low beam and high beam operation. Confirm dash indicators show normal status. If beam aim differs, use the adjustment screws on the rear of the headlight to align both headlights to within 3½ inches vertical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.